Hi, welcome to Microsoft PowerPoint presentation tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a master slide. So why do we really need a master slide? So suppose you have multiple slides in your presentation and you want certain element to be present in all the slides, all the existing slides as well as all the new slides of the particular presentation. So we add those elements inside the master slide. So let's access the master slide. So go to themes, and in that, on the extreme right side, we have this edit master. Click on it and then click on slide master. So you will be shown this kind of slide wherein it's written click to edit master title style. So suppose you want to change its font, so you can just go to home and select different font other than the one which is there. So suppose we are choosing Adobe Castellon. So yeah, we have changed it. Now let's say we want an image to be there in all the slides. So how do we do that? We have to go to insert, and then we have to go to photo, and then we have to go to picture from file. So after that, just choose the image you want to insert in this presentation, and then resize it according to your requirement, and then take it to the location where you want it to be. So now we have this particular logo or image in this location. So all the existing slides of this presentation will be having this particular logo. So you don't need to do it manually. Master slide will take care of it. And now suppose we want certain text element to be present in all the slides. So just use this text, click on this text, and then click over here and just type www, yeah, www.beingskilled.com, and we want it to be there in all the slides, and at this particular location. So let's close this master slide and let's see how it looks like. So we can see that image is there in this particular location. We didn't insert it, it inserted by itself. You can't change it. You have to go, if you want to change it, you have to go to the master slide, and we have this particular text which will be there in all the slides of this particular presentation. So let's create another slides, a new slide. So we can see that in all the slides we have this particular image and text, and you can't modify it. And if you want to modify it, then you have to go to the master slide. And also we can see that we have this font changed, and it's not the default font. Default font was Calibri, but since we changed this font in the master slide, this font has also changed. Now going back to the master slide again, click on edit master and then slide master. Let's suppose we want to insert some shape. Let's make it rectangle, and then click on it, and then let's say we have a box which is having a gradient inside it, and if you want to change the color of it, we have to go to format, and we can choose any of the color which we like. So let's say we want this color. So now the color has been changed. And in case you want to change the heading of it, or you want to add a heading to it, we can just have text box over it, and we can say, hello, welcome to Being Skilled. So we can see that we have it in white color, and if you want to change the color, you can just choose any color whatsoever you want. So it can be green if you want, it can be of any color. You can increase the size of it as well. So changing it back to white, we can see this box, and above it we have this particular text. And if we close the master, then we can see that every slide will be having this particular box and that particular text over it. So basically this is This has now become an integral part of of all the slides. So now we have three elements which will be there in all the slides. Why? Because we added them in our master sheet, and if you master slide. So if you want to remove them, just go to. Now let's delete this particular box, and we have now two particular elements which will be there in all the slides of this particular presentation. So this is how we use master slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. Thank you for watching the tutorial.